When we were kids, didn't we all dream of having a Hello Kitty headband? I know I did, but I never got one. But guess what? You can make one for yourself now. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a Hello Kitty inspired headband. By the end of this video, you'll have a cute accessory that you can wear, give to someone special, or even sell at a local store. So let's get started. Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Monica and today I'm super excited to share a special project with you. For this project, I'll be using a 5-ply milk cotton yarn in white and a bit of pink yarn. If you prefer, you can use red yarn for the original Hello Kitty look. But since we love pink, we're sticking with that. And I'm also using a 3.5mm crochet hook, which will give our headband a nice and firm texture. First, we're going to make the base of the headband. Start by chaining 10. If you want your headband to be wider, feel free to add more chains. Once you have your chain, add one more chain. Now make a single crochet into the third chain from the hook. And then, continue making one single crochet into each of the remaining chains. You should have 10 single crochets in total. So this is our foundation chain. So for the next row, turn your work, making sure the working yarn stays in the back, and then make a single crochet into the first stitch and continue across. It's important to keep your stitches even so the edges of your headband are straight. So you're going to repeat this process until you have 100 rows. It might sound like a lot, but you'll finish it in no time. I made 100 rows because it fits perfectly around my head, but I recommend wrapping it around your head as you go to make sure it's the right size for you. So quick note, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. It would mean so much to me. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like me to make next. I love hearing your feedback. So once you're done with the base, it's time to connect both ends. With the right side facing together, remove your hook from the yarn and insert it into the very first chain. Hook the existing yarn and then wave the ends together by making slip stitches into the inner loops. Secure the loose yarns and cut them off. Now let's make the bow. Start by chaining 13. Make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then do a double crochet into each of the next stitches except the last one. For the next row, chain 2, then make a double crochet into each stitch across. For the third row, turn your work, insert your hook into the first stitch, and make a single crochet. Followed by double crochet across, ending with a single crochet in the last chain. Chain 1 and pull tight, and cut the yarn to secure it. You should now have a bow with the soft curves. Now let's make the circle of the center of the bow. Create a magic ring, then make 6 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, and make a single crochet around the ring. Attach this circle to the center of the bow. So it might be a bit tricky, but you've got this. Finally, let's attach the bow to the headband. Grab your yarn needle and pink yarn and sew the bow into the upper right corner of the white base. Make sure it's nice and secure. And there you have it, a simple and adorable Hello Kitty inspired headband. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts, and don't go anywhere because next up we're making a super cute crop top. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you so much.